Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2009. Saul Meyer, founder and managing partner of Aldus Equity Partners, is facing criminal charges as part of investigations into possible kickbacks in New York State Retirement Fund. Meyer has surrendered to the authorities and his bail is set at $200,000. His Dallas private equity firm served as an advisor to the pension fund on private equity investments. Staying with hedge fund news, hedge fund manager Perella Weinberg Partners' Xerion Fund has consented to the Treasury Department's $2 billion debt restructuring deal for Chrysler's creditors. According to the Wall Street Journal, the move comes as President Barack Obama named creditors who rejected the deal. Weinberg, along with Oppenheimer Funds and Stairway Capital Advisors, was identified as a dissident. Around 20 creditors, all branding themselves as non-TARP Chrysler lenders, have agreed to the Chrysler debt restructuring terms. And in more hedge fund news, private equity firm American Capital is planning to sell its European capital unit for 2 billion euros. According to Reuters, it is seeking buyers to sell the European private equity and mezzanine debt investor either fully or partly. Potential bidders include Goldman Sachs, Collar Capital, Alp Invest, and AXA Private Equity. Citigroup has been appointed as advisor on this transaction. And in other hedge fund news, Mayfield Fund is seeking to invest in 5 Indian companies this year. According to Business Standard, the Silicon Valley-based venture capital fund has 5 companies under consideration. Mayfield, which focuses on the U.S., China, and India, has invested 20% of the fund in 7 Indian companies until now. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge fund channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.